Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Instagram when Reels are not showing. So, if your Instagram is not showing Reels, there are a few ways how you can fix your Instagram. The first one is by going to your App Store or Play Store and then searching for Instagram. Now, where it says open, if your app says update, simply update the app, and once the app is up to date, in most of the cases the problem will be solved. But if your problem is still there, what you can do is go to your settings and then go to app. After that, search for Instagram, and now try force stopping the app. And once you've done that, go to storage and cache and try deleting both the storage as well as your cache memory. Now relog into your Instagram account, and now once you relog in most of the cases the problem will be solved and Reels will be shown on your Instagram. But if somehow your app still doesn't show Reel, what you can do is go to your profile on the bottom right corner of your screen, then tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Now tap on settings, scroll down and then tap help. Now tap on report a problem and then again tap report a problem. And now you can simply type in Instagram Reels are not available in my app. And then tap on submit. So that is how you solve Instagram Reels not showing problem. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.